It's Diwali time, and I will share with you how to make these fancy sweets. Hello, happy Diwali, Nutan Varsh Abhinandan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to start a series of food recipes. Today I'm going to share with you very easy, no sugar added, healthy, good for diabetic people. Since I'm diabetic, I try to make healthy version. So in Diwali we make lots of sweets, and this one of them I have with nuts, dates, and that's about it. So I'll share with you, and no cooking, it's just easy mix up. Let's first start with going to show you all the ingredients that we needed. Quarter cup of chopped almonds, quarter cup of chopped walnuts, toasted powder oats. This is toasted oats, and then you grind it into a powder. 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, a pinch of salt. Now this is like your choice, you can do any of the flavorings. I like dried ginger powder, which is 1 tablespoonful, and cinnamon. 1 quarter cup of white chocolate chip cookies for decoration purposes, about 10 to 12 dates. These are de-seeded. I'm going to put it in the blender and mix it all together, and some coconut oil. Now I'm going to take dates and put it in a food processor. Then take all the rest of the ingredients and put it all in the food processor to give it a good mix. And this is the final blending. Okay, so now it's all blended it together. To give a even shape and size, I'm using this. This is actually recycled egg carton, but you can use any cookie mold you have in your kitchen, or just make it in a ball and reshape it. Press it with a spoon like this, and so the shape comes out good. All filled, and then just tap it upside down and see how easily it comes out. Now the decor part, I'm using this white chocolate chip and then melt it. Earlier I mentioned chocolate chip cookie, but it should be chocolate chip. Okay, the chocolate is melted. I put it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Just stir it. Make sure all the chips are melted properly. Now for a fine thin lining, I'm using this sandwich size Ziploc bag, and then pour this melted chocolate in it. Take a toothpick and just prick it once and test it. If it's coming out fine, that's good enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna decorate this with lines like that. All right, all done. Look at it, how good it looks. Now let's plate them, and these are no sugar added, dates and nuts sweets. Please leave me a comment below and do subscribe so next time when I put out a new recipe you have it. Thank you.